So in this video, we're going to start solving problems from exercise 13.7, which belongs to chapter number 13, surface areas and volumes. So we're going to start with problem number 3. Okay, so here we're going to see problems related to the volume of the cone. Okay, so let's get this cone up here. Okay, 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 let's get it down. Okay, so let's read what problem number 3 is. The height of the cone is 15 centimeter. If its volume is 1570 centimeter cube, find the radius of the base and use pi as 3.14. So quite simple and straightforward. Whatever information is given to us in this problem, we try to first represent it in the diagram. That is very important step that gives us clarity. So first we are starting with the height. The height is given to be, so let's say this is the center. Okay, let's say this is the center of the circle. So height is going to be this. Okay, and this is going to be the radius. Oh, that's what we're going to find. Okay, and height is given to us as, okay, let me use the highlighter. So height of a cone is going to be 15 centimeter. So let's put that down. So this is h. Let's use a small h. So h is equal to 15 centimeter, and the volume is given to be 1570 centimeter cube. You have to find the radius. So let me just write something like this. So radius is equal to question mark. Now, what is the formula to calculate the volume of the cone? So I'm going to write it down. Volume of cone, okay, is equal to 1/3 the volume of a cylinder, which is pi r square h. Now, what is the volume given to us? So yeah, this is the volume 1570 centimeter cube. Let's substitute. So 1570 is the volume, 1/3 of. Now they have told us to use pi as 3.14. So 3.14. Okay, let's put bracket into r is unknown. So r square into h. So h is 15 centimeter. So let's put that 15. Okay. Now once we have all the equation set, all the variables values substituted, then we don't need this volume. We just need to focus on this. Okay. So again, as we know, this 3 will cancel. So 3 into 5 is 15. Then this 5 will cancel this. 5, yes. 5 into 3 is 15. Then 5 into 1 is 5. And 5 into 4 is 20. So what we have is, just to simplify, 314 is equal to, this is 3.14, okay, into r square. Okay, as you can see, this is 3.14, this is 314, so that will give us 100. So 3.14 into 100, okay, will be this. So therefore we get 100 as equal to r square, and quite simple. So r is going to be square root of 100, which is going to be equal to 10. That's going to be 10 centimeter. Quite simple and straightforward. That's what we wanted to find out. We wanted to find out the radius of the cone, which is equal to 10 centimeter. So I'm just going to remove this question mark now. There is no more question mark, and the radius is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, that's how we solve problem number 3. Next, we will see problem number 4. Before that, let's erase this so that we get the space. Okay, now let's get rid of this. Okay, so let's focus on what is the problem number 4. So if the volume of the right circular cone of height 9 centimeter is 48 pi centimeter cube, find the diameter of its base. Okay, exactly similar to what we did just now. So I'm just going to be a little bit fast here. So if this is the center, then this is the height. Okay, so and then I'm going to write here what is height given to us. So height h is given to be 9 centimeter. Okay, radius is unknown, so I'm just going to mark like this. So radius is equal to question mark, and volume is 48 pi centimeter cube. So volume of a cone is equal to 1/3 the volume of cylinder, which is 1/3 of pi r square h. So what is the volume? Let's substitute the variables that we know. We know what is the volume of the cylinder. It is 48 pi. So let's substitute that 48 pi. That is equal to 1/3 pi. R is unknown, so I'm just going to keep it like this, r square, and h is given to be 9 centimeter. So that is equal to 9. Now, Once you have substituted all the values in the equation, let's focus wholly and solely on the equation. So this pi and this pi, they cancel each other out, and this is 3 into 3 is 9, and then 3 is also divisible over this. So 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 6 is 18. So 3 into 16 is 48. Therefore, what we get is 16 as equal to r square. And therefore, if we take square root, so r is going to be square root of 16, and that is equal to 4 centimeter. Quite simple and straightforward. So the radius of the cylinder is 4 centimeter. Let's come here. Yes, sorry, radius of the cone, not the cylinder. So this is now no more a question mark. It is equal to 4 centimeter. Now, we should not find the radius and just simply blindly stop here. We have to focus what the question had asked. And the question had asked, find the diameter of its base. Okay, we found out the radius. Yeah, so we found out the radius, but the diameter is not found out. So let's do that. So quite simple. What is the diameter? Diameter is 2 times the radius. So 2 times r. That will be 2 times 4 centimeter, and that's going to be equal to 8 centimeter. So the diameter of the base of the cone is equal to 8 centimeter. That's all.